Have you heard about using Vaseline to grow your hair very long and very thick? Have you heard about moisturizing your hair with Vaseline? So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use three ingredients, how to use Vaseline, onion, and ginger to grow your hair. Okay guys, ginger is very good when it comes to growing your hair very long. I have a whole ginger here. I've been using this ginger. Okay, so you need your Vaseline, you need onion and ginger. You also need a bowl. So all you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to get 1 spoon of Vaseline. Okay, you need 1 spoon of Vaseline. That's the first thing you need. So here I am going to get 1 spoon of Vaseline. So I don't want too much Vaseline. This is okay. This is not up to 1 spoon but this is more than half spoon. Okay, I don't want too much, so this is what I'll be using. So you get your maybe 1 spoon or more than, you can use more than this. Okay, you know I have a whole lot of things, a lot of products for my hair, like natural products. So you get this, you keep it. So you get your onion. If you have a blender, if there is light, you blend your onion. If you don't have a blender, you can use something to grind it. Okay, you grind your onion and your ginger. So after you are done, the next thing you are going to do is to transfer this to your Vaseline. Okay, you transfer this to your Vaseline. So guys, the next thing you need to do is to double boil this. Please, you don't double boil glass. Okay, the next thing is to double boil this. If you are using a glass and you can't double boil it, what you are supposed to do is to get a hot water. Okay, you put this in that hot water so that the Vaseline will dissolve. Okay, so that you can mix it very well. Okay, so now I'm going to get a hot water and put this. Okay, get a hot water. Oh yes, this is hot water. So I'll wait a little so that the Vaseline will dissolve. Okay, I'll wait a little so that the Vaseline will dissolve, and I will mix it properly. I'll mix it very well. So I'm going to wait a little for the Vaseline to dissolve. So guys, after waiting for some minutes, you are going to stir everything together. Remember I said you can also double boil this. Okay, but if you don't want to double boil it, there is no problem. You just put it in a very hot water. Okay, so that the Vaseline will dissolve and the juice, everything will just melt together. Okay, you mix it very well. So after you are done mixing it, the next thing you are going to do is to extract. You are going to extract the juice. Okay, you are going to extract this. So now I am going to extract this. You can also use something like cloth net sieve. Okay, use anything you know you can use and extract it. Okay, so guys, I am done extracting it. This is what I have. Make sure you stir it very well. Okay, You stir, stir it very well. So you get a container, and pour it, okay? Okay, so you are going to leave it to stay for some minutes so that it will thicken, or you put it in your freezer so that it will thicken. Okay, it's either you put it in your freezer so that it will thicken, or you leave it for some minutes so that it will thicken before you start applying this on your hair. Okay, this is my hair. My hair is very long and full. So guys, because I want to go ahead, there is no light and it's getting late. This is evening, so I want to go ahead and apply. I can't wait for some minutes. I just want to finish this video before it's very dark. So the first thing I apply is leave-in straightener. Okay, daily leave-in straightener. So this is from Mega Growth. I'm going to apply this. Okay, this will help to soften your hair. This will help to soften your hair. So I'm going to apply this on my hair. So I'm going to apply this on my hair. Do you know why I like this recipe? This recipe will also help to soften your hair. Okay, so it's either you put it in the fridge to thicken, or you wait for some minutes for it to thicken. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and rub this all over my hair. Okay, Mama, I'm coming. So Mama, my cousin is calling me, so I'll go ahead and please, when applying this, make sure you massage it. Okay, massage. Do not just apply it on your hair. Okay, massage it into your scalp. Okay, massage it on your hairlines too, but do not use too much. Okay, because the reason I didn't use too much of Vaseline is because too much of Vaseline will kind of cut your hair if you use too much of it, too much of Vaseline. Okay, that's why I used two other very good and active ingredients for hair growth. Okay, so my hair is now softened, so you apply it, you are good to go. Look guys, your hair will grow like never. Make sure you try this recipe. You'll come back and thank me. See you on my next video.